Hey everyone, and welcome to factzone. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of social insects. Get ready to be amazed as we explore 10 huge beehives and insect colonies. These incredible structures are testaments to the power of cooperation and instinct in the animal kingdom. So grab your magnifying glass, figuratively of course, and let's dive in. Number 10. Giant honey beehive, Apis mellifera. Let's start with a classic, the giant honey beehive. Honeybees are some of the most well-known social insects, building intricate wax combs that house thousands of bees. A single hive can contain up to 80,000 bees, all working together to collect nectar, raise young, and produce delicious honey. Number 9. African swarm migrations, locusts. While not technically a hive, locust swarms are a sight to behold, from a safe distance, of course. These massive migrations can contain billions of locusts, traveling incredible distances and devouring everything in their path. Learning about their behavior and the challenges they pose is crucial for agriculture and food security. Number 8. Army ant raids, Eciton burchellii. Army ants are the ultimate raiding force of the insect world. Their colonies can contain millions of individuals, and when they go on the hunt, no prey is safe. These nomadic ants work together to take down insects much larger than themselves, showcasing the power of coordinated attacks. Number 7. Termite mounds, Macrotermes natalensis. Towering structures in the African savanna, termite mounds are not just impressive, they're also feats of climate control engineering. These mounds, built by millions of termites, maintain a constant temperature and humidity, allowing the colony to thrive. Number 6. Yellow jacket paper wasp nest, Dolichovespula arenaria. Yellow jackets may be pesky at picnics, but their nests are architectural marvels. Made from chewed wood fibers, these papery nests house thousands of wasps and are meticulously built for optimal efficiency. Number 5. Aztec ant supercolony, Dolichoderus pratensis. This entry is a bit of a cheat. Aztec ant colonies aren't technically one giant hive, but rather a network of interconnected colonies that work together as a superorganism. Spanning vast areas, these supercolonies blur the lines between individual colonies and create a fascinating example of insect social organization. Number 4. Leafcutter ant highway, Attocephalotes. Leafcutter ants are famous for their impressive leaf-carrying abilities. But what's even more impressive are their highways. These ants clear distinct paths through the forest floor, allowing them to efficiently transport leafcutter to their underground fungus gardens. Number 3. Bald-faced hornet nest, Dolichovespula maculata. Bald-faced hornets construct enormous paper nests that hang from tree branches. These complex structures house thousands of hornets and are built with multiple layers for insulation and protection. Number 2. Honey bee colony collapse disorder. Taking a serious turn, let's discuss colony collapse disorder, CCD. This phenomenon is causing honeybee hives to mysteriously disappear, posing a significant threat to agriculture. Raising awareness about CCD and its potential causes is crucial for the health of our ecosystems. Number 1. the importance of insect societies. From pollination to pest control, insect societies play a vital role in our world. Understanding these incredible creatures and the threats they face is essential for maintaining a healthy planet. So there you have it, 10 huge beehives and insect colonies. These fascinating social structures highlight the marvels of the natural world. What surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more amazing animal encounters.